Hi, I'm Christine Odell. I am the designer behind the CryptoWhales. And first off, I just want to thank everyone for all their support and for contributing to our cause of bringing blockchain and cryptocurrency education and AI education to women and youth all around the world. I guess first off, why I came up with the CryptoWhales board game concept. I'm currently in my second year of school. I went back to school to do my Master's of Design, and as part of a studio project, I designed the board game, the CryptoWhales, and it was just, I found there was this lack of education, blockchain education, just available. I kind of actually had designed with my kids in mind. I am a mother of two young girls, 5 and 7. So what I want to do is just have a format that I could teach them about blockchain and just make it fun and engaging for them. So with this board game, it started off as something really simple. I wanted to find something that was familiar and something that a lot of people would know how to play and redesign that into a format incorporating blockchain. Fast forward a little bit, I met Elena, the founder of the CryptoChicks, and their mission to bring blockchain education to women and youth and getting more young people and women into the blockchain community really aligned with what I believe would be a really great cause. And as a team, we developed this board game that started as a school project into what it is now through a lot of different prototypes and iterations and user testing, and really going down into delving into the logistics of blockchain. Through a team collaborative effort, we've developed the CryptoWhales game that we have put forward in our Kickstarter campaign today. On behalf of all the team, thank you very much for supporting our cause in bringing blockchain education to families, to friends, just to everybody in the world.